Running my YouTube channel used to take me 20 hours a week. Now it takes under 5. Got the same output and better results. Here are 5 free AI tools that make that possible. First, we have ChatGPT. And no, I don't mean asking it to write the script for you. That's how you get generic content nobody actually watches. Here's what actually works with ChatGPT. I write my outline, the structure, the key points, my opinions, and then I use ChatGPT to tighten the hook, to make sharper transitions, and to punch up the call to action. I say the director of my videos, but AI is just the assistant. This alone cut my script time in half. Second tool that I use, 11 Labs. 11 Labs help me generate AI voiceovers that sound shockingly real. Over 5,000 voices across 70 languages. You can even use it to clone your own voice from a 30-second recording. If you run a faceless channel, this is a non-negotiable. One creator used 11 Labs to hit 8 million views in 3 months. All AI voiceover. On the free tier, you get enough credit to voice several videos a month. If you're not using it, you're leaving views on the table. Third tool that I use is CapCut, and I use it to edit and to make captions. If you're still manually adding captions in 2026, we need to talk. CapCut AI does auto captions, removes filler words, and here's the big one. The auto cut feature takes a raw 45 minutes recording and cuts it into tight, clean edits automatically. There, bad takes are gone. They've also got AI generated B-roll suggestions and background music matching. It is the closest thing to having a free video editor on your team. The fourth tool that I use is Canva AI for my thumbnails. Canva are your #1 click lever. Canva's AI makes them stupidly fast. My workflow starts with a YouTube thumbnail template, customize the layout, and then use magic media to generate or swap backgrounds and elements. Now it takes me 5 minutes per thumbnail when it used to take me 30. The AI feature works on the free plan. It's true that you have limited generations per month, but you have more than enough for most creators. And the fifth tool that I use is vidIQ, and I use it for SEO and strategy. You can make the best video in the world, but if nobody finds it, it doesn't matter. vidIQ handles YouTube SEO. It analyzes trendy keywords, tells you exactly what to put in your title, descriptions, and tag, and scores your optimization before you publish. The feature I use the most is the AI coach. It looks at your channel data, your niche, and what's performing right now, and gives you personalized video ideas. It's the difference between guessing what to make and knowing what to make. So here's how it all chains together. vidIQ finds you the trending topic. ChatGPT helps you to script it. You record, then CapCut edits and captions it. In case you need voiceovers, 11 Lab. If you need thumbnails, Canva. All under 5 minutes. And that's your full YouTube production pipeline ideas to publish videos using 5 free tools. So which of these tools are you going to be trying first? And if you want a full deep dive tutorial on any of these tools, let me know in the comments.